hi, good morning. How are you today?
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Okay. Can you please tell me about your last job?
My last job is I first I talk about food and beverage services. TESDA, technical skills, and then my last job when I go here uh, in restaurant. I 6 months and then uh, hotel and restaurant. Waitress and then housekeeping ako dun. Oo.
Okay. So basically, working in the restaurant, what were your duties and responsibilities?
My duties and responsibilities is in a restaurant, I take the uh, order of customers, say hi, hello to them, welcoming, and then also a food runner, and uh, also a friendly waitress to my customers.
Okay, great. And by the way, why you decided not to continue to work in that restaurant?
Very low salary.
Since you're here in UAE, you're looking for a new opportunity here. All right. What would be the minimum salary you would ask this time?
One five.
Okay. And by the way, what is your favorite task? Is it cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
I'm babysitting.
And what type of food can you cook?
I practice my ability in Filipino food. Yes, ma'am.
Filipino foods. Okay. Now a little bit of knowledge about cleaning. What detergents or chemicals do you use in cleaning a toilet?
In Philippines, tough cleaning
Mm-hmm.
detergent on yung liquid. Sunrox, yes. Jif, and then Dettol.
All right. And now in babysitting, what is your first action when a baby cries out loud? When you see the baby crying, what will you do?
I will say to her or him, let's go in the park or let's dancing, let's playing, and then or we will go to mall, something like that. Yes,
Mm-hmm. Okay. And what are your hobbies?
dancing.
Dancing. Okay. What type of dance you're into?
Modern and
And how many years you want to work here?
mm, 2 to 3. It's enough.
2 to 3 years. Okay. So do you think you will be a good helper to your employer and why?
Yes, ma'am. Because I'm friendly. I'm willing to learn. I'm good person to other people, and then hardworking. Yes.
Okay. Very well said. I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.